Hi, my name is Addison Christopher from Miss Hammond's 5th period class, and in this video, I am going to explain and demonstrate Newton's 3 laws of motion, which are the laws of inertia, the law of force and acceleration, and the law of action and reaction. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. The first law I'm going to demonstrate is the law of inertia. Inertia is the tendency for objects to resist motion. This is where an object at rest stays at rest and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Here I have a candle. It is not moving, or it is at rest. This candle will continue to stay at rest unless an unbalanced force such as a push or a pull acts on it. Now I have a softball, and I am going to put it in motion by rolling it. My hand, which represents an unbalanced force, is going to stop the softball from rolling. Another factor that might slow the softball down is the surface it is rolling on. This creates friction and can stop the motion of the ball. And that's the law of inertia. The second law I'm going to demonstrate is the law of force and acceleration. This is where the acceleration of an object is dependent on 2 variables: the net force acting upon the object and the mass of the object. As this force of an object is increased, the acceleration is also increased. As the mass of an object is increased, the acceleration of an object is decreased. Here I have containers filled with different amounts of colored water. If I apply the same amount of force on each container, which one do you think would go farther? If you said the blue container would go farther, you are right. That is because it has less water in it. Therefore, it had more acceleration when the force was applied. The container with the red water did not have as much acceleration because it had more mass. The formula for force equals mass times acceleration. And that is the law of force and acceleration. The last law I'm going to demonstrate is the law of action and reaction. For every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction. This means that in every interaction, there is a pair of forces acting on 2 interacting objects. To demonstrate this law, I'm going to sit in this chair. My body is exerting force downwards while the chair is exerting force upwards. If the chair did not react with an equal force, it would collapse. Here's another example. By pushing on this wall, I'm exerting force. But the wall is not going to move because it has a great amount of inertia, which means resisting motion. And that is a law of action and reaction.
Better watch out, you better not cry, better not hurt, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
I have now demonstrated and explained each of Newton's 3 laws of motion. I hope you have found this video to be helpful and understand the difference between each of the laws. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have a very